Although Microsoft's Chromium-powered Edge browser is a significant step up from its older Edge HTML counterpart in Windows, third-party alternatives such as Chrome and Opera continue to overshadow it in terms of polish and stability. Even so, the Redmond-based tech giant needlessly complicates the default browser settings in attempts to make users stick with Edge. Microsoft does not provide a single setting that you can use to switch default browsers in Windows 11. Instead, you must manually link your preferred browser to the relevant web-related file types and protocols. The problem is, you've got to deal with over a dozen of them. Luckily, there's an easier way. If you open an external link via an app such as Mail immediately after installing a third-party browser, the operating system should prompt you to select between available browsing apps. All you have to do is then take your pick. Check the box next to Always Use This App and select OK. Now you've changed the default browser. Easy, right? But you've only got one shot at this. So if you've already opened a link but forgot to check the Always Use This App box, then here's how you can change the default browser in Windows 11 the hard way. First, open the Start menu and select Settings. Then select Apps, Default Apps. Select the browser you want to make the default, for example, Google Chrome. Select Microsoft Edge under the .htm file type. Pick your preferred browser, in this case Chrome, and select OK. Just note that Windows 11 might try to persuade you to stick with Edge as the default browser. Select Switch anyway and you should be able to continue making changes. Repeat the previous steps for the following file types and protocols within the same screen. This isn't very hard, just replace anything that's set to Microsoft Edge with your preferred browser. Exit the Settings app. You've just finished setting up your preferred third-party browser as the default in Windows 11. If you're trying to change the default browser in Windows 10, check out the article linked in the description below for the steps. See you next time.